Hey, hi Autocool viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about a review about my car safety and health issues. Let's go. Hey, this is my car. The video is about safety and health issues. Let's go. Hey guys, first thing is about refrigerant management. We need to manage our refrigerant correctly. Such as, we need to dispose the used gas in proper way, service air conditioning system regularly and check for leaks and damages. Hey guys, first we are going to see about the Environmental Quality Act of 1974 in Malaysia. The regulation about Hvac system. The main regulation is refrigerant management. Prohibit the use of environmental hazardous substance in new air conditioning equipment, vehicle air conditioner and building chiller on refrigerator system. We need to dispose the used gas in proper way. Service air conditioning system regularly and check for leaks and damages. Hey guys, there is an extra tip for us. We also need to check our cabin filter regularly to prevent any mold while we breathing. We also need to check there is any leaks or damages on our hose and pipes. We also need to check any leaking refrigerant. We are from Autocool YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a video about review on vehicle HVAC system, safety and health issues. Environmental, social and governance, which is ESG criteria, are increasingly integral to business operation and investment decisions. Next, why is ESG important in automotive? ESG, environmental benefits, reduces the automotive industry contribution to climate change. Social impact, improve public safety, enhance trust and support global communities. Governance, build customer and investor confidence by promoting ethical and sustainable practices. Thank you.
Thank you, Devruban. My name is Puvarasan and we are from Autocool YouTube channel. Two vehicle HVAC system problems related to ESG. First, refrigerant leaks. Health risk: exposure to leaking refrigerant can cause respiratory problems, dizziness and in safe case suffocation. Environmental impact: certain refrigerants have high global warming potential and ozone depletion potential, contributing to climate change and ozone layer depletion when released. Environmental impact: global warming potential. Many refrigerants such as hydrofluorocarbons possess high GWP, meaning their release into the atmosphere can cause substantially contribute to climate change. Ozone depletion: certain refrigerants, notably chlorofluorocarbons, are known to deplete the ozone layer, increasing the risk of harmful ultraviolet radiation reaching the Earth's surface. Social impact: health risk. Exposure to leaking refrigerant can pose health hazards, including respiratory issues and potential toxicity, affecting both vehicle occupant and service technician. Community well-being: environmental degradation resulting from refrigerant emission can adversely affect public health and local ecosystem, leading to broader societal concerns. Governance implication: regulatory compliance organizations are increasing health accountable for managing refrigerant use and leaks, with regulation aiming to pace down high GWP GMP substance. Corporate responsibility. Effective refrigerant management reflects a company's commitment to sustainability and to ESG principle influencing trust and investment decision. Second, damage or leaking air ducts. Health risk compromised air ducts can reduce air quality by allowing contaminants to enter the cabin, potentially causing respiratory issue. System efficiency leaks force the HVAC system to work harder, leading to increased energy consumption and potential strain on components. Environmental impact. This emission contribute to environmental issues such as global warming and air pollution. Environmental impact. Increased energy consumption. Leaking air ducts force the HVAC system to work harder to maintain desired temperatures, leading higher fuel consumption and increased greenhouse gas emission. Pollution. Damaged ducts can allow external pollution to enter the vehicle's cabin, contributing to environmental contamination and reducing air quality. Social impact. Health risk. Compromised air ducts can introduce pollution and contaminate into the cabin air, posing health risk to occupants including respiratory issue and allergies. Comfort degradation. HVAC performs due to leaking ducts can lead the uncomfortable cabin condition affecting driver concentrate and passenger well-being. Thank you. I pass to my friend Narvin.
Hi, I'm Narvin. This channel from Otokul YouTube channel. So today I will discuss or review about the HVAC system, which include three things today topic, which is regular maintenance, component care, and a refrigerator level. So first, uh, maintenance and inspection. To ensure proper handling and disposal of the refrigerator to prevent leaks and environmental harm, which come under refrigerant management. As for the regular maintenance, schedule periodic HVAC system checkups to identify to address potential issues earlier. For second is a proper refrigerant level, which maintains correct refrigerant amount to prevent system strain and leaks. So as for the environmental friendly refrigerant, so for environmental protection, as for the which is maintenance, periodic 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 inspection of HVAC system to identify and address potential, to give attention regularly to ensure everything runs efficiently and prolong to the lifespans of the system. uh, Proper installation. Ensure all duct components are correctly installed and securely connected to prevent leaks or strain and maintain system integrity. Professional installation and adherence to manufacturer guidance are crucial for optimal performance. That's it for me. Thank you.